Alright. Super late night. Let me step back. Cause this probably gonna be my before and after. Alright, whatever. I ain't gonna put no timer, we're just gonna look at the time on this video. I just squats and no talk. But boom. 20 in the first minute. Consistency to efficiency. Give myself a little rest. So it took me about 40 seconds to do 20. This probably be a 5-minute video. Nice. 8, 7, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. 40. Boom. Yep. See, last week, that's why I like working out, because it's like, bruh, it's the easiest way to see a measurable amount of progress in your life. And man, I ain't the most successful Negro, but one thing I know, that type of confidence, you can run off with that type of show yourself what you could do, and you're gonna want to do more. Pretty much a straight line comprehension for me. Maybe that's how my mind works. Maybe that's how everybody's mind works. Whatever. These little shadows got me looking a little more trim. Alright. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. Boom. 60. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. 5 minutes. Well, 5 minutes, hash it out. Today all I did was a dang 50 jumping jacks. Smoked a little bit of that. Not no weed, but smoked a little bit of tobacco. And I know I need to cut that, but shoot. It's easy to beat the weed. It ain't easy to beat nicotine. But what's it called? The workout help. Eating healthy help. But shoot, I've been eating like a pig. Still ain't. It don't look like it, but I have. So, all right. Nice. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, Went past that 5, I ain't gonna lie to you. But we at 80 already though. 7 days ago it took me a lot more time to do this. A lot more time. It took about twice as much time and twice the effort. This time, pumping them out, trying to feel it for the first half. It wasn't getting to me till till about that, till I was getting close to that 60, that 80 got to me. That's why I'm taking a longer break right now. But we not about to hit 7 minutes though. Now I'm racing the clock. 30 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Damn. I was at less than 5. But I'm gonna do 5 more. I think I only had 3 left. But I adjusted the weight. So I'm gonna do 5. 4, 5. Boom. Alright. 7:30. Could be better. Again, we're gonna get it to that 5.